The 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS is finally revealed, though its development hasn't exactly been a secret. Heck, Porsche even told us how fast the new GT4 RS laps the Nürburgring, 7 minutes 4.5 seconds in case you missed it. However, now we know why it turns such a fast lap, and it's not just the fantastic engine. That's a good place to start, because in the time it takes you to read this sentence, the GT4 RS can accelerate from a standstill to over 100 miles per hour. The 4.0-liter flat-six is pulled straight from the Porsche 911 GT3, though in the mid-engine Cayman it only makes 493 horsepower, 368 kilowatts. Torque checks in at 331 pound-feet, 449 Newton-meters, also a bit less than the 911 GT3. But the engine still hits all the high notes with a 9,000 RPM naturally aspirated redline. For the record, the standard GT4's 4.0-liter engine isn't a GT3 derivative, spinning to 8,000 RPM while producing 414 HP, 309 kilowatts, in the process. It's not slow by any means, but Porsche says the GT4 RS reaches 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds, a half-second quicker than the GT4. It tops out at 196 miles per hour, and Porsche already spilled the beans on the Nordschleife lap time. For added perspective, it's nearly 24 seconds faster than the GT4, and just a few seconds away from the current 911 GT3. Folks, this new 718 Cayman GT4 RS is absolutely no joke. We said the engine is only part of Porsche's performance punch in the latest RS model. Weight is another factor, and Porsche engineers managed to shave 49 pounds from the GT4 RS while still keeping it a street-friendly vehicle. As you might guess, carbon fiber comes into play with the front fenders and hood consisting of carbon fiber reinforced plastic. You'll also find lightweight glass for the rear window, lightweight doors, and the result is a 3,227-pound, 1,464-kilogram curb weight. Combined with the high-output engine, the 718 Cayman GT4 RS boasts a power-to-weight ratio of 6.5 pounds per HP. Enhanced aero forces the GT4 RS to the pavement, with the swan neck fixed rear wing being the obvious difference to the standard GT4. The underbody is optimized for better airflow, with a rear diffuser, an adjustable front diffuser, a front spoiler lip, and side blades contributing to the cause. Set up in racetrack-specific performance mode, the GT4 RS offers 25% more downforce compared to the GT4. Additional body tweaks include air intakes in place of side windows and revised side intakes, all designed for improved cooling. Add the optional WISAC package and you'll get even more carbon fiber, among other things. Porsche will even sell GT4 RS buyers a special watch from Porsche Design, inspired by both the styling and performance of this Cayman to end all Caymans.